I just found a simple 3-step process that you can use to make over $9,000 every single month, copying and pasting images. You can do it as a complete beginner, and this new website works in all countries around the world. They will pay you through different methods, so if PayPal doesn't work in your country, you can still withdraw your money from here. Now, step number 1 is to go over to this website called freeimages.com. Free Images is a free website that allows people to search and download free images that are available in the public domain. Now we are not going to be uploading any images onto this website. However, we are simply going to be downloading these images and then using them to make a lot of money with them. In just a moment, I am going to show you how these guys have made over $115,000 with images like this one here that you can easily find online from sites like freeimages.com, and you can freely use them to do the same. Here is another example. These guys here have made over $360,000 already with just these 4 simple images that I am going to show you how you can easily create using freeimages.com. These guys have made over $1 million with these images, which are showing just simple image, nothing too fancy, and yet they were able to make some really good earnings with these simple images. This will take you less than 30 minutes to download and to prepare. But before we move further, smash that like button and give this video a big thumbs up. Now step number 2, on freeimages.com. You can scroll down here and you can see all these free images that we are going to be using to make money on this website. All these images are for free, which means we can use them with no attribution or even without signing up on their website. There are literally thousands of pages with these images, as you can see from these numbers. Now, I want you to search for abstract art in this search box right here. From these search results, we can see that there are literally thousands of images with some very interesting abstract art. And in this example, we are going to be downloading these images in order to use them to make money. So, go ahead, right-click on the images, and open a couple of these images in new tabs on your web browser. The reason we want to download abstract art images is because abstract art is said to be the most popular type of art. Simply because neither it does have any recognizable subject, nor does it relate to anything external. Therefore, individual viewers can interpret an abstract painting for themselves. That is the reason why abstract paintings are always top sellers, which is exactly what we want for this method to work like a charm. Now we are going to download the images we have just selected onto our computers, so that we can monetize them. I want you to choose images that are greater in size, because if you choose smaller sized images, it will not work well with this method. Okay, so after considering a couple of these images for this, for example, I am going to use this image here. You can see that the original size of this image is 2048 by 1536, which is going to work well for our method. I am simply going to click the download button here and choose to save it onto my desktop. So now that you have the image that you are going to use for this method, the step number 3 is we need to find a free editor online where you can enhance the image so that it can get more clicks. So right now, what we are going to do is to go to Google once again and search for free online photo editors. And as you can see, there are a lot of these free online photo editors that you can choose from in order to apply filters to an image for this. For example, let us choose this one here called photofilters.com. And just like it says in the name, photofilters.com is a free online tool that you can use to apply many beautiful filters and effects to your photos and images. Basically, it is used to beautify any photos by applying effects like cropping, resizing, exposure, blurring, sharpening, RGB curves, and many other such effects. Next, go ahead and click the file option and upload the photo we just downloaded from freeimages.com. And after uploading our photo to this website, now go up here where it says filters, and then select on any of these filters to see if they will improve your images. Let us click here where it says filters, and I am going to select autocorrect because I think it will make my image look way more cooler. Feel free to explore any of these filters in your own time and make sure you enhance your photos in preparation for the next step, in which I am going to now show you how to make money once your images have been enhanced. But before that, subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading latest and working make money online videos. I will leave link to her channel in the description of this video. Okay, so step number 4 to start making money with this method. Next, we need to go to this website called Etsy.com. Etsy is a website that has been here for a long time, and it is actually one of the best global marketplaces online, where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. If this is your first time hearing about this website, then I can say you are going to love it even more once you learn the secret I am about to share with you. On this website, there are millions of products that are sold on this website every single year. For example, if we choose the art and collectibles category, you can see that there are over 14 million results that will show up here. You can choose to shop by interest, or you can come here and find something that you love. There is so much more for people to discover. Here you can find what people are selling, including some images like the ones we have just downloaded from freeimages.com. You can also see how many of these items have been sold already, based on the reviews indicated on the items. Now those images that we downloaded from freeimages.com, let me show you how you are going to be generating passive income using them. So remember, when we were looking for images on freeimages.com, we searched for abstract art, and I even showed you where it said that these kinds of images are actually very popular. Here is what we are going to do in order to use that to our advantage on Etsy.com. Go on and search for abstract art in this search box on Etsy. You can see there are over 2 million results that come up, which means there are lots and lots of these products that are selling on this website. So the first thing you are going to have to do is to check and see if there are some good reviews for these types of items right away. You can see here that people are actually giving them 5 stars, which is a very good sign if we are going to make money doing this. Here, it is over 1,000 reviews. Here on this one, over 8,000 reviews. This one has over 10,000 reviews also, and lots of them have received a good number of reviews from people that have bought them. By the way, also remember that not everyone that purchases an item will usually leave a review, so these numbers might actually be pretty higher than this. Okay, so now, for example, let's take this one here, which is going for about $10.67. They have already sold over 32,000 items already, and if we multiply that figure with $10.67, the total amount reaches about $341,440. You can see they only created these images and they made them available for download. These images are so easy to make, it won't take you even an hour to prepare and upload them onto Etsy.com. This has got to be one of the quickest ways of making money online that I have ever shared on this channel. Here is another example. These people are selling this for about $6.20. And you can see that they have made over 137,000 sales, which is a really good amount of money. If you multiply that number by $6.20, that amounts to a total of $849,000. That's so amazing. This is a very simple but cute design. No need for a physical product. It is available for instant download as soon as your customers have made a purchase. Also check out the reviews from people who have already bought this item. These are genuine and verified buyers. The nice thing about this is that this is all an automated system. You only need to do a little bit of work initially just to set it up. And once you are done, you can leave it out there and it will make you money for many years to come. So, once you have finished enhancing your images on photofilters.com, go ahead and click on this button that says Sign In. Then on next page, click on the Register button in order to create a new account. Now as a bonus tip, I want you to go onto YouTube and search for how to set up an Etsy shop for beginners. You will find these amazing tutorials that you can follow to finish setting up your Etsy account. And if you want your images to rank higher on Etsy, so that you can get people to find them and you can make money, search on YouTube for how to rank higher on Etsy. And you can optimize your images to get the maximum number of clicks on Etsy. And if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, click here to watch this next video. Thanks for watching.